Hey guys, and welcome back to Unlock Force for another useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how can you fix cannot create account. Your Apple ID cannot be used to create accounts for other apps. So guys, if you're facing this problem, you will have to watch this video till the end to fix your problem. So guys, here I will give you some suggestions and some solution which will help you to fix this problem. So guys, the very first suggestion for this problem is that you will have to make it sure that your age is above 16. So guys, you will have to make it sure that your Apple ID age is above 16. So guys, after this, the second solution to this problem is that you will have to change your date of birth if you are not above 16. So guys, open settings on your iPhone, tap here on settings, tap on your profile, tap again on your name, phone number, email. So guys, from here you will have to change your date of birth and you will have to make it sure that you are above 16 in your age. So guys, after this, the last and final solution to this problem is that you will have to contact applesport.com. So guys, if you are still facing this problem after all these solutions, you will have to contact your applesport.com. So guys, open Safari, tap here sport.apple.com. Here it is. Select your device, scroll it below all the way. So guys, from here you will have to tap on Get Sport and then you will have to tap on Start Now. So guys, after this you will be able to contact Apple authorities by message or by call, and they will fix your problem if you are still facing this problem. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you have liked this video, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.